Hi there. Welcome back to my channel. For this video, I am going to teach you on how to change the color of the objects inside the image using Photoshop. There are two simple ways on how to do this. Step 1. Open Photoshop. Step 2. Click File. Then, click Open. For this tutorial, I am going to use two images to illustrate the two methods. Make sure that the layer and adjustment are selected by going to Window, then, Check Layer. Also check the adjustment in the same section. I will choose the first picture for editing. Step 4. Make sure that the layer of your image is selected. Then, open the adjustment section on the right side panel. Click on Hue and Saturation. Step 5. Adjust the three sliders until you are satisfied with the result. Let's proceed to the second image by clicking on the second tab to show you the other way of doing this. Step 1. Make sure that the layer is selected. Then, open the adjustment section. Step 2. Go to Hue and Saturation for the second time. Step 4. Choose yellow since it matches the color of the fruit. When you adjust the sliders, only the object that has a yellow color will be changed. In this case, the bananas. Step 5. For the background, choose greens. Also, only the background will be changed. You can also click on the hand icon to choose the color you want to change. As you click on it, it will change the icon into a color dropper. But, it is basically the same thing as the previous method. So these are the simple ways on how to change the object color of the image. If you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.